Hello students, welcome to DAV Moyle Public School, Sita Saungi. Today we are going to learn about a very important writing section topic, that is a formal letter writing. Okay students, so let's begin. Letter writing is an essential part of our life because we convey our message to someone other who is far from us, and if there are different type of issues, then we can write down a letter. Okay, a letter is a written message that we send to people who are far away from us and to whom we want to convey our message in a clear manner. There are two types of letters: informal letters, letter to friends, relatives, and formal letters, letters to government officials and business. Okay, informal letter we write to our friend, parents, uncle, auntie, relatives. Okay, so these are informal letter. And formal letters, letter which we send to the editor, application letters, business letters, government officials. Okay, these are the two categories of letter writing. Now let's see, if you want to write down in a correct format formal letter, then you have to follow the 8 steps. First of all, you have to write down senders, means your own address. If you are writing a letter to the editor, then you have to write down, or any other official person, then first of all you have to write down your address, then date, then receiver's details, means if you are writing to the manager, Bajaj Electronic Company, or to the editor, Indian Express. Okay, that address you have to write down. Then salutation means respected sir, respected madam. Okay, honorable sir, honorable madam. Then subject, what is the subject of that letter, that you have to write down. Then actual content of the letter, means body of the letter. Complimentary note means yours faithfully, yours sincerely. Okay students, this is the 7th step. And 8th one is last, at the bottom of the letter in the left side, name and signature. Okay, so let's see one example. Write an application to the principal asking for arranging a trip. Okay, so first of all, your address, whatever your address is there, you have to write down. Okay, then date, and to the principal, Cambridge School, Lucknow. Subject, permission to arrange a trip. Okay, sir, I, on behalf of the students of class 6th, request your kind permission and orders to arrange the trip to Nainital in summer vacations. Our class teacher, Miss Reena Bansal, and English teacher, Miss Aarti Singh, have kindly given their consent to accompany us. Nainital is a well-developed hill station where we can have trekking and camping. We can have trekking and camping facilities. This excursion will provide us confidence and build an interpersonal relationship. I hope that you will grant this permission. The students will contribute, but all the arrangements must be made under your guidance and approval. Yours sincerely, Radhika, class representative. Okay students, in this way you have to write down the letter, and by heart you try to learn this. You must learn this 8 steps for writing a formal letter. Okay students, and try to learn this and follow these 8 steps so you can write down formal letter writing easily in a correct way. Okay students, this is your homework. Write an application to your school principal for 2 days leave from the school. Okay, this is your homework, and follow the same format which we have discussed in our class. Thank you and have a happy day.